everyone, welcome to CyberSquare. Today I am going to show you how to apply for jobs on LinkedIn. If you are new to LinkedIn or not sure how the job session works, this video will really help you. I will take you through each step, how to search, filter and apply in an easy way. So make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. First, open your LinkedIn account. When you are logged in, look at the top menu and click on the jobs button. Now you will see a search bar. Type in the job role you are looking for. Let's try digital marketer. Next, we want to filter by location. Right next to the job title, you can type your preferred location. I am going with Kerala here. You can choose any place you are interested in working. Now, this part is very helpful. You will see options like date posted, company, easy apply under 10 applicants. So here, click on date posted. Here you can see options like past week, past month. Choose past 24 hours if you want the most recent job listing. This helps you apply early, which can really boost your chances. Next, if there is a specific company you want to work with, you can type its name in the company filter. That's way you will see only their openings. Now select the easy apply option. Here you will see the vacancy and company name. The next one is under 10 applicants. This shows job where fewer than 10 people have applied so far. Since LinkedIn is super competitive, many jobs get loads of applications quickly. But if you are a fresher or don't have much experience, it's good idea to apply for jobs where fewer applicants because the chances of the company noticing your profile are higher. When you select a company, you will also see a message below saying your profile matches several required qualifications, so your chances are high. To apply, click easy apply and you can apply just by submitting your email, phone number and resume. Some jobs may not even ask for resume. Sometimes companies ask additional questions to know more about you. So answer them. So that's it. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more career tips.